Intro music fades in, calm academic tone, perhaps a blend of soft percussion and piano. Welcome to Global Perspectives, the show where we explore the ideas and forces that shape our world. I'm your host, Emily Carter. Today, we're diving into one of humanity's oldest and most debated subjects, politics. Politics isn't just about elections, political parties, or government structures, it's about power and how it's wielded. It shapes societies across time. Understanding politics means understanding human aspirations and struggles. Now let's start with the basics. What is political science? Political science is the systematic study of power, politics, and governance. Think of it as a way to dissect how political systems originate, how they operate, and the effects they have on people's lives. Political scientists use various tools including historical analysis, comparative studies, statistical techniques, and even philosophical reflections. They aim to answer big